Hi folks, this is Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L with an ATS rear entry conversion, mobility conversion on it. Stock number CP17389T. Now this is a Touring L model. It's black in color. It's got 48,000 miles on it. Good looking vehicle. We've got painted aluminum wheels. They are 17-inch. Tires look like they're probably 3/4 tread, if not more. Now this is pretty well equipped. It's got black leatherette seating in it. Power driver's seat. Large 10.1 touchscreen radio. Sirius satellite radio. Now it does have Google CarPlay, Android Auto. There you go, get a better picture of that. Dual temperature control zones. Blind spot monitoring. Adaptive cruise control. Super sweet. Leather steering wheel. Fog lamps. Memory seat for the driver's side. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Both power side doors. You got equipped here. So this is a 4-passenger plus wheelchair. You can actually put 2 chairs in, or a chair and a scooter, or what have you. Talk more about that here in a second. Rear AC and heat. USB port back here in the back. Charging port. Now these side windows do come down to about right here. Wings open, power. Rear backup sensors, rear backup camera. Now this is a power lift gate here. Got the key in my pocket, that's why I was beeping at us. This is your ATS logo on it. Now yes, this has 48,000 miles on it, but it's a brand new ATS conversion. So it's a rear entry ramp. 800-pound capacity, weight limit. It's manual, super easy to use. Brand new rubber floor. Of course, you've got all the anchors in the floor here for your Q strengths. As I said, you could fit like a scooter up front, wheelchair back here, what have you. Super easy to lift that ramp up. I just use one hand to do it, one arm. A lot of these are spring assisted or shock assisted. Make it easy on you. Now, I know it's raining out here, a little bit sprinkling, but the paint looks to be in really good condition. Now these seats right here will fold forward. They're just not going to go anywhere else because they're on these bolted in bases here. And it's a manual seat on the passenger seat. '23 Touring L with an ATS rear entry conversion, brand new conversion on it. That ATS conversion, the ramp, whatever they've done to it from ATS, you have a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on that. Even though this van's pre-owned, it's a brand new conversion. So 2023 Chrysler Touring L Pacifica with ATS conversion here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.